Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here Tulika. How all are you doing? I'm doing good till now, but don't know about afternoon because I'm gonna get my first dose of COVID vaccine today. I heard that many people face side effects after getting these vaccines. Let's see how my body will react. I will share everything in this video, so stay tuned. But before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. So let's get vaccinated. Now in Thailand, COVID situation is getting worse. Over 15,000 cases are coming per day. Hopefully all will be alright soon. I woke up at 8 in the morning and I'm having lukewarm water on my empty stomach. After that, I'm making a simple breakfast for today. Multigrain bread toast, some veggies and scrambled eggs. Today I'm keeping it simple and easy because I have appointment for the vaccine. So I have to do all this quickly. And now I'm going to get my vaccine. What?
Where are you going? What are you doing?
Stop it. Don't.
अरे हो गया नाक खुला है नाक Let's go. Scared? Don't. Oh, sorry. Okay, congrats.
So guys, I just came back from hospital. The procedure was simple and here the system is so good. So yeah, I got the first dose of AstraZeneca. So now I am vaccinated. It's been 1 hour of vaccination and my arm is paining right now. Whole arm and my back. Let's see. Now I have to go to take shower because I just came back from hospital and a lot of germs. So I will meet you soon after some time. Hey guys, it's been 6 hours since I took the vaccine and I have mild fever and feeling so weird. It feels like my cells are on fire and all. Oh god, my body is burning. Sometimes I'm just sweating a lot. I don't know why. With little fever, my arm is paining. Oh, from here. Because I have mild fever and my body is paining, that's why I'm taking some medicine, and it's all homeopathic medicine because my dad is a doctor of homeopathy. And yeah, here it is. So yeah, let's see if I could record at night or not. I will meet you after some time, hopefully. So guys, this is 12 at the night and now I'm going to bed and I feel really better now. I don't have fever, but yeah, it's paining on my arm. So good night for now. I will see you at morning. Good night. Good morning, you guys. This is the second day of my vaccination and I'm feeling fresh now actually, but my arm is still hurting me and now I'm having my breakfast. He made this obviously. Bread and banana I'm having now. So I will meet you after some time. It's middle of the day and I'm not feeling well now. I have fever Still, my arm is hurting. From afternoon, I was getting really sick. I couldn't talk, I couldn't eat, I couldn't sleep. I was just laying on the bed. So this is the fourth day I'm filming in. Still I have tiredness and pain on my arm, and maybe it will take another 2 to 3 days. Already you guys have seen that how was I feeling for 2 days. I had nausea, mild fever, muscle pain. I was feeling tiredness, and especially the pain on my this arm where I had the vaccine. On third day I had little bit headache, tiredness, and yeah, pain on my this arm. My husband got the vaccine just 1 day before me. Are you ready?
Yay!
You excited?
Yes.
Not scared?
Not scared.
Today he is going to get his vaccine.
After all.
After all.
Oh my god. Okay.
Okay, baby. See you soon. Take care. Call me, huh? Okay, bye-bye.
You got vaccinated.
And he was doing completely okay on the first day. The side effects started appearing on the second day for him. How are you feeling today?
Little bit headache and warm. Not too much fever, but warm and headache. Weird. I'm taking homeopathic medicine, not paracetamol. Because if you are taking paracetamol, you'll get weak. So better not to take.
Sweat.
Yeah. So two things like drink a lot of water and take some medicine. That homeopathic is best. And yeah, and take a good sleep. So Tulika cooked a lot of good food for me. Yeah, healthy food, healing food actually.
Not from tomorrow.
Actually, tomorrow is Tulika's appointment for vaccination. So yeah, we'll be sick from tomorrow.
Each of us has different bodies, so side effect also will be different. Try to have homemade food. It will really help you to feel better. If you are living alone, so make your food and store into the fridge for 2 days. It will be really helpful for you. I did the mistake. I couldn't cook, and my husband was actually working from home, so he didn't get the chance to cook for us. So we ordered some clean food from online, and we don't know why and how we had some digestion issues. So on third day I cooked for us. My husband helped me a lot. Otherwise it couldn't be possible because I was not feeling well completely. This is the recipe my mom used to make for me when I felt sick, and this is called shobji jhol in Bengali. Yeah, obviously I'm a Bengali girl, and this is one of my favorite dishes, so I made this one. To make shobji jhol, I have added few drops of mustard oil into this pan. The oil is hot, and now I am adding panch phoron, adding dry red chili and bay leaves. Sauteing for a few seconds, and now I am adding chopped onions. Sauteing for 1 minute. Now I am adding all the diced vegetables into this. Giving it a good mix. Adding here salt and turmeric powder. Now mixing all this together. I will be adding one paste which I have made before. I soaked cumin seeds, coriander seeds, fennel seeds and ginger for 15 minutes into this grinding jar and then ground. Here I am adding water. I will cook it for 10 minutes with the lid on medium heat. She makes it with the fishes, but we didn't get the fish, so I added shrimp. After 10 minutes, I'm adding here the shrimps. Now I'm gonna cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes. And here is my shobji jhol is ready to eat. So for lunch I'm having steamed rice, boiled eggs and this shobji jhol. And trust me, we started feeling well after having the homemade food. And it was really good. You can try this at your home. I'm sure you're gonna love this. Don't do workouts until you feel completely well. Take rest as much as you can. It's important for your health. This is kind of worse situation. We are fighting with the virus. Many of us lost their loved ones. We can defeat it all together. So don't be scared, fix the appointment and get the vaccine as soon as possible. This is important for all of us. So that's it. That was my first dose of COVID vaccination. I have tried to share everything with you. So I hope you find this video helpful. Then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family who are actually scared to get the vaccine. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. I will meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you guys. Bye.